Hello anglers. When you're starting up the fishing, the basic question which strikes each and every angler's mind is, what reel should I use for my fishing? So basically there are three kinds of reel. Ideally this is a bait caster. In bait caster, the precision of bait caster is excellent and the probability of line getting tangled in bait caster is nil. It's ideally used by the person who is experienced into fishing. Then comes trolling reel. Trolling reel, we use it mostly for sea fishing. If a person is into jigging, you can absolutely go with trolling reel and it's that easy to use. Then comes spin caster. Spin caster is most common reel which we use in India or all around the world. And we'll see more in depth about spin caster. In spin caster, ideally there are four types of spin caster. First comes the light reel. So we define light, medium and all depends upon the size of the reel. So you can see size 3000. So it's a light reel. A reel which starts from 2500 to 3000, it's a light reel. Then comes medium reel. We use this for predator fishing and this can take easily 4 kgs of fish. Then comes medium reel. So the size of medium reel will be 4000. Even this is used for predator fishing. It can easily take 6 kgs of fish. Then comes medium to heavy. So the size of this reel will be 5000 and this is used for lure fishing. Even if you are starting into sea fishing, you can absolutely consider this reel. This will be really good and it can easily take 6 kg of fish. Then comes heavy reels. So why heavy? What is heavy reels? It's nothing. If a reel can easily take 8 kg plus its heavy reel, so the size of this reel will be 7000. So how do you define the durability of the quality of the reel? The quality of the reel depends on the number of bearings of the reel. If the number of bearing is high, you will get a really good, it will be really durable and you will get a really good life and the reel will be that smooth.